Can you change the color theme in InVideo AI from dark to light? If you're wondering whether you can switch InVideo AI's interface from dark mode to light mode, you're not alone. Many users prefer different themes based on their working environment or eye comfort. Currently, as of the latest update, InVideo AI does not offer a built-in toggle to switch between dark and light mode directly within the AI interface. However, there are a few workarounds. First, if you're using the browser version of InVideo, you can force a theme change using browser extensions like Dark Reader or similar tools. These allow you to invert or adjust colors of websites manually. Additionally, some operating systems let you adjust brightness, contrast, or color themes globally, which may affect how InVideo appears. It's also worth noting that the InVideo Classic Editor offers a slightly different interface than the new AI one, and may appear lighter if you're doing a lot of text editing or visual work and need better visibility. Using the Classic Editor or changing your system display settings might help. Keep checking InVideo's updates. They often add requested features like UI customization based on community feedback